Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be doing an unboxing of Apple Watch Series 6 Nike edition 40mm version. We will also be doing a comparison of Apple Watch Series 6 versus Garmin Venu 2, and I will also be sharing from my personal experience why I chose Apple Watch Series 6 over the Garmin Venu 2, although both of them a similar price point in India. So let's get started. So this Apple Watch Series 6 was purchased from Apple Store in India. The courier partner was Blue Dart. We'll show around the package. So this is very secured package by Blue Dart. This was shipped to me very quickly, like it was delivered to me within 2 to 3 days of placing the order. So yeah, so always purchase Apple products from Apple Store, online store in India. That is very reliable as compared to other e-commerce websites. This is the box which we have. We have opened the package and let's start opening the box as well now. We have a secure tape over here. We can open this just by pulling this tab. So we have opened the package seal and now we can start opening the box. So this is what we get inside the box, the Apple Watch itself, the whole package, sealed package, and also we get the bill from Apple. So we'll just remove this box now. So you can see that this is the Apple Watch Nike edition. So you can see both the logos on this, the Apple Watch and the Nike logo. So let's start. Also we have a pull tab in this box as well. So let's start opening this box now. So here we have the Apple Watch box inside this, and if I keep this, then so we also have the band itself of the watch. So let's open the Apple Watch box itself now. We have some paperwork and it's also written designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Let's see what's inside this. And we also have this charger, the Apple Watch charger. And last but not the least, we have the Apple Watch itself. This is the 40mm version. So yeah, it's a tiny bit and in the back we can see it's written Apple Watch Series 6, 40mm aluminum ceramic case. So yeah, so let's start opening the band now. There's a pull tab here itself. Apple Watch. No, this looks. We have the two sizes of the band, and this one we'll, we'll put this on the watch now. Yes, it's tight enough. Yeah, we got the click sound, so that means the watch is now ready to use, and now we can start the watch. So as you can see, this is the Apple Watch Series 6. Unfortunately, this is not starting up, so I believe there's no battery left inside. Let's try it by charging it once. Yes. So it is charging.
Now let's get to the actual point behind this video. Comparing Garmin Venu 2 with the Apple Watch Series 6. Number 1. Apple ecosystem. Smartphone integration. If you are someone who is already into the Apple ecosystem and are mad crazy about Apple products just like me, definitely go for the Apple Watch Series 6. Apple provides a seamless experience in its ecosystem and everything is so well connected. Number 2. ECG. The Apple Watch Series 6 provides support for a single lead ECG, which is missing in the Garmin Venu 2. So if ECG is a feature important to you, go for the Apple Watch Series 6. Number 3. Reply to messages directly from the watch. You will get notifications and messages on the Garmin Venu 2, but unfortunately, you won't be able to reply to them if you own an iPhone. Number 4. App Store. Apple supports a large amount of applications currently on the watch, which the Garmin lags on. Number 5. All about looks. Lastly, if you are someone who wants a watch for both fitness tracking as well as a professional, go for the Apple Watch. Else, if you prefer a more sporty look and feel and need more accuracy, Garmin Venu 2 is the choice you need to make. Additional point. I personally preferred the Apple Watch due to the points as discussed and also because more or less both the watches are priced at a similar price point. And of course, being an Apple fanboy, keeping in mind the price points as well, I had to choose Apple. So that's it from this video. If you like the video, please hit like. If you want to see more such unboxings and comparison videos, please hit subscribe. Signing off, until next time.